Wishing Chicnutrix a happy 4th birthday. They are India's one of the leading beauty and wellness brand, and we all know their tablets work magic. The vitamin C, we have seen it all over the internet. Now I have some amazing offers and you can avail some more discount using my coupon code, which I'll be giving you in the description box. This whole month will be a celebratory month, not one day. Yes, you heard that right. This whole month will be a celebration. You can obviously avail some amazing discount and get some rewards and everything in this very month from the Chicnutrix website. Today I'll be talking about a very nice product, which is their hyaluronic acid. It contains 5% hyaluronic acid complex plus panthenol plus glycerin. I'm gonna explain everything, but let's first start with the pricing. This is priced at 1260 and you get 30 ml of the product. This is made in Korea. Things were kept in mind, and this is made for Indian skin type. Packaging wise, I would say this is really good. The cap comes out really smoothly and the dropper also is very good. Let me just show you how it looks. It gets absorbed into your skin and it gives you a very nice glow. Just can you see? Yeah, this gives you a very nice glow. One very good thing about this product is that it has no fragrance whatsoever, so it's very suitable for all skin types. No irritation. I am myself from dry and sensitive skin type, and this has caused no irritation. So let's talk about the ingredients and what do they do for your skin. It has 5% hyaluronic acid, which actually what it does is it forms a film. It forms a film on your face, and it avoids the evaporation of the moisture from your skin, hence it keeps the moisture intact. Okay, so that's ingredient number 1 for you. So the second ingredient is vitamin B5, which has anti-inflammatory properties. This helps with the collagen production of your skin, so that your skin regenerates faster and it looks healthier at all time. Third thing it contains is glycerin. Now we all know what is glycerin. It's a humectant. So what it does is basically, once you apply glycerin or this product on your face, it will absorb moisture from the skin, and in this product it goes 3 layers deep and it absorbs the moisture from your skin and the atmosphere as well. It locks it on your skin, so your skin will remain hydrated for a longer time. Moving on from the ingredient, like I mentioned, it is made in Korea. It is made for Indian skin type. It is also made in low concentration so that it gets absorbed into quickly and performs really well for all skin types, whether you're a beginner or someone who has been using it from a long time. It will be beneficial for both. And then it is all goody. It is cruelty free, it is paraben free, it is silicone free, it is dye free as well. Like I showed, it gets absorbed into your skin very quickly and doesn't feel that chip. When do you need to apply this? You can apply this daily, and you can apply it in the day or night or both. Okay, what you need to do is, first you have to wash your face. You can tone, it's completely up to you, but it will be better if you want to see more effects of this hyaluronic acid. I suggest you better tone your face, so spray some toner, and then what you need to do is take 4-5 drops of this particular serum and just pat it in your skin, let it sit for some time, and then lock it with a good moisturizer, and your skin will be always plumpy. Especially during night you should do it, so that morning when you wake up with a very plumpy skin. And that's all for this video. If you liked this video and if you found my skin very glowy, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give it a huge thumbs up. It means the world to me. Bye bye.